it's day 37 of programming every day until I get a full-time job. I think yesterday we completed, I know I didn't talk, but no, it's not there. Is it? It's up here somewhere. Jesus Christ. So much shit. Visual line update. No, visual update. Yeah, so I made this function. So basically, this function will occur each time we press any movement key. So H, J, K, L, W, E, or B, and I guess F as well. So this will update. So before I was doing everything in the rendering loop, and yeah, it's not really a good idea because like the complexity, one, it's mainly just the complexity, and I guess like it's too, the logic for the rendering and the logic for updating things shouldn't, or it's not that they shouldn't, but they don't have to be so tightly coupled because that could lead to bugs. So instead, I separated things. Let me put a pillow underneath my lap. I separated things because it seems more clever, and I don't know if it's worked yet. Today, my plan is I got like 10, 15 minutes. I wrote down the rendering logic a couple days ago. I'm trying to find it real quick in my notebook. So you can't, I'm not moving or anything on my computer, but I'm flipping through my notebook. I think I was, bro, where the fuck is it? Okay. Rendering logic. I'm just going to read out loud what I have written down so far. If we're on visual mode and y coordinate is within the range of the top and the bottom, inclusive. If we're on one line, so if top y is equal to bottom line, we calculate the width, and we calculate the width by bottom x minus top x plus 1. Yeah, that makes sense. Because, for example, say we're here, right? We're on the L. So the width would be bottom x minus top x. Sorry, I had to check something. So, okay, say we're on this L, right? And if we press V, it would be like the x coordinates, which is, it would subtract itself to 0, right? Plus 1, so the width would be 1. So for example, here it would be bottom x, so this would be, let's say this is 5, this is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And it would be the absolute value, just in case, right? 5 minus 4 is 1, plus 1 is 2, so that's how we get the width there. And we have the x of the rect, top x. Okay, so since we have the value of, what you might call it, the leftmost thing that should be, or that it's starting on, right? Then we have the rectangle, so we have the width, and we have the height, and we have the x and the y, because, well, y is just this, right? Oh, that's why. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so we have everything to create a surface, which is what gets rendered, and the coordinates of where to render it. And if it's not the same line, then we, in an else branch, we check if we are on the top line. If we're on the top line, we do some stuff. If we're on the bottom line, we do some stuff. And if we're not on the top or bottom, that means we are on some line in the middle, and we can just highlight the whole thing. So let's do that. Elif editor.py. I feel weird because like I guess I can just like I can't stash it, can I? Because I have this shit here. I'll just comment everything else out for now, and then once it like, okay, we know it works for sure, right? Then like, oh here. No. Wait, why am I using my mouse? Actually, like instead of this, poop, but how do you make a new file? Shift E. As a percentage. Poop dot butt. Okay. So now we just have visual line. Okay. Okay, yeah, it seems to work. Okay. Wow, it's so much shorter now. Wow. If we're in visual mode, editor dot mode is equal to editor mode dot visual, and give me one sec. Sorry. This is visual and editor dot visual top y is less than or equal to y chord. What is y chord? Y chord is this. I trust that. Editor dot visual bot y. Just add some simple logging for now. First on visual mode. And okay. Calculate the width. No. If we're here. If editor dot top of visual top y is equal to Okay. Calculate the width now of, so width is equal to absolute dot visual bot x minus editor dot visual. Um, um, what the heck? Huh. So I have written down here, if the y coordinate is the top y coordinate of our visual section, the width would be the end of line minus the first character or top x. How would that make sense if we are here, right? First line, top line. End of line would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, fuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 11. Oh, okay. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. So the width would be 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. 11L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, 12. Okay, yeah, nice. That makes sense. Uh, one, 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 minus 5. One, is equal to 2. Okay. Um, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, why did it do that one? Okay, what's this one? Print. I don't think this is even necessary here. The rest of that, because think about it, right? Like this, we're on the this is only for the first one, right? And for the first line of a thing, of any text file that's being rendered, right? It can only be the top or only one line, right? So because of that, I think we're good here. So how do we? I know nothing's gonna work now because yeah. So where is editor? Visual update. Going up and going right. So L is going right, right? False, true. Okay. So yeah, there's this problem before, right, where say we start at I, Going forwards it works, but going backwards it doesn't, right? So going backwards is left. So if we're going left, moving left on one line, x squared plus self dot. What the hell? Starts at the I. The I. Okay, it's not working. Last stupid guess, I promise. And so this shit is wrong. Fuck. Okay. Give myself like 10 more minutes and I gotta go. Let me think. What's happening here? So, is this without? This is with the plus. Start at the M. Going right works as expected, right? Going left. not work as expected. And without, there's some weird shit with the first one. For here, we just get stuck. If we're going up, if the new y coordinate is less than the old top, then we move the top up to the new y coordinate. Or if the new y coordinate is less than the bottom, we move we make the bottom the new y coordinate. And if we're going down, if the new y coordinate is greater than the current bottom, we set the bottom to the new. Okay. That makes sense. I was hoping that reading this would make me clear up what I was doing before. Oh wait, I'm actually Baka. I never return here. I guess, wait, what? We ran 1 line. Moving left on top line, moving right on top line. Moving left on bottom line. Right on bottom line. Moving left on 1 line, moving right on 1 line. Oh, shoot, bro. Yeah, why don't I just add elifs here? I probably just forgot. I know that they're all elifed. You don't need to return. No. And very long. If the new x is greater than the top x, yeah, okay. So we have 6 there. What? Hmm. So here, this is getting highlighted, right? Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Stupid thing, I know. Huh. Okay. Self-thought. No. Editor dot text. That's why. Okay. Oh, shoot, that's no good. Why does it fuck up at the start? It's a problem for next time. Alright, bye bye.